Do you want to earn an extra income working at home? Sign up a freelancer account in Upwork. My friend earned $3,000 just for one job. And I started earning too. I got $50 for my first job in the first week. Looking for jobs is easy. Just scroll down and look for jobs. Jobs can either be fixed price or hourly. For hourly, we will be paid as per work hours spent. For fixed price, we will be paid by work package. We can look for jobs in best matches or most recent. Look for job where there is a verified payment and matches the skills or expertise that you have. For example, this construction takeoff. The budget is 1,000 US dollars. So we can click apply now. After you click apply now, you will be preparing your proposal. To submit a proposal, you have to check all the details and then choose the way we are paid, by milestone or by complete project. And then we will write a short cover letter, introduce yourself and explain how your skills and expertise suitable for the job posted. Then click send. Proposals that you send will be registered here. Once a proposal is accepted, we will receive an offer, and if we accept the offer, then job contract will commence. Once you have a contract, the history will be recorded here, starting from the job posting, your acceptance to the offer, and all the messages from your client like clarification of the job. You can send photos and files. It's like same as Messenger, where you can communicate with your client. Sign up now in www.upwork.com. At the start, you will receive 50 connects. These connects will be used in applying jobs, and we will receive free connects monthly.